Hello everyone, I'm Sam, and in this video we'll be solving grade 11 and 12 Euclidean geometry problems. Get ready to ace those exams. Question 10. In the diagram, BE and CD are diameters of a circle having M as a center. Chord AE is drawn to cut CD at F. AE is perpendicular to CD. Right angle C is equal to X. Before we jump into solving questions, let's focus on our diagram. Here we are given that BE and CD are diameters, and what we know about diameter is that it subtends a 90 degrees angle at a circumference. So BE will subtend 90 degrees angle at angle A2 plus angle A3. CD will subtend 90 degrees angle at angle A1 plus angle A2. We got the center, so radii will be equal. CM will be equals to MD, will be equals to ME, will be equals to MB. AE is perpendicular to CD. This reminds us the theorem. Line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. So FE will be equals to EF. Angle A1 is equals to 90 minus X. Reason sum of angles in triangle ACF. Angle A2 is equals to 90 minus 90 minus X. So it will be equals to X. Since A2 plus A3 is equals to 90 degrees and A2 is equals to X, A3 will be 90 minus X. Both angle M1 and angle A1 are subtended by CE. So angle M1 will be equals to 180 minus 2X. Reason angle as center is 2 times angle as circumference. Now we can solve questions. 10.1. Give a reason why AF is equals to FE. Do you remember theorem? Line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. That's what we see on chord AE. Line drawn from the center is perpendicular to chord AE. So our answer will be line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord. Let's move to the next question. 10.2. Determine given reasons the size of M1 in terms of X. We already got M1 on our diagram as 180 minus 2X, but let's solve it step by step. Both angle M1 and angle A1 are subtended by CE. So angle M1 is 2 times angle A1, reason angle center is 2 times angle circumference. So if we show how we found our angle A1, which is 90 minus X, we'll multiply 90 minus X times 2 to find angle M1. So let's get rid of it. Angle A1 is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus X. Reason sum of angles in a triangle. Angle A1 is equals to 90 minus X. Then angle M1 is equals to 2 times angle A1. Reason angle as center is 2 times angle as circumference. Therefore, angle M1 will be equals to 2 times 90 degrees minus X. Angle M1 is equals to 180 degrees minus 2X. Let's move to the next question. 10.3. Prove given reasons that AD is a tangent to the circle passing through AC and F. For us to be able to solve this question, we must highlight line AD and triangle ACF. Then draw a small circle that passes through AC and F. We are done, but before we continue, let me remind you of something. You remember Tanko theorem that states as angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So if you were given that UP is a tangent, angle AUP will be equals to angle A that is in the alternate segment. The reason will be Tanko theorem. But then what is the converse of that? Okay, let me say like this. What is the reverse of that? The reverse is if angle A is equals to angle AUP, then UP is a tangent. That's what we are going to do on this question. If we prove that angle A2 is equals to angle C, then AD is a tangent to the circle passing through A, C and F. Let's find our angle A2. We already know that angle A1 is equals to 90 minus x, and angle A1 plus angle A2 is equals to 90 degrees. Raising angle on the semicircle. Let's write it down. Angle A1 plus angle A2 is equals to 90 degrees, raising angle on a semicircle. But angle A1 is equals to 90 degrees minus x, raising sum of angles in a triangle. Let's substitute angle A1. 90 degrees minus x plus angle A2 is equals to 90 degrees. So we got 90 degrees on both sides, so they will cancel each other and we'll be left with angle A2 is equals to x. Therefore, angle A2 is equals to angle C, raising both they are equals to x. AD is a tangent to the circle passing through AC and F. The reason is converse of Tanchord theorem. 10.4 Given that CF equal to 6 units and AB equal to 24 units, calculate given reasons the length of AE. Let's write it down on our diagram. CF is equals to 6 and AB is equals to 24. We already know that CM is equals to ME is equals to BM is equals to MD, raising radii, and we also know that AF is equals to FE, raising line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord. All I need you to do right now is to focus on triangle ABE. So let's highlight triangle ABE. Yeah, we have highlighted triangle ABE. On triangle ABE, AF is equals to FE. Raising line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord, as I said. ME is equals to BM, raising radii. So a picture like that leads us to triangular midpoint theorem that we have done in grade 10. So FM is parallel to AB and FM is the half of AB. Let's write it down. FM is equals to 12 units. Another thing, in triangle ABE, angle A2 plus angle A3 is equals to 90 degrees. They are subtended by diameter BE. Angle on the semicircle is the reason. When you add CF and FM, they give you radius CM. Therefore, CM is equals to 18 units. As I said, CM is equals to ME is equals to BM is equals to MD, and the reason is radii. All of them, they are equal to 18 units. I think we have enough information that will make us be able to find length of AE. So let's solve it step by step. In triangle ABE, ME is equals to BM, raising radii. AF is equals to FE, raising line drawn from the center perpendicular to the chord. FM is half of AB and FM is parallel to AB, raising midpoint theorem. FM is equals to half of 24, therefore FM is equals to 12 units. CM is equals to CF plus FM, raising segment addition. CM is equals to 6 plus 12, therefore CM is equals to 18 units. CM is equals to ME is equals to BM is equals to 18, raising radii. Then we can solve for Pythagoras theorem to find the side AE. But before we do that, let's show that A2 plus A3 is equals to 90 degrees, raising angle on a semicircle. Let's solve for Pythagoras theorem. BE squared is equals to AE squared plus AB squared. 36 squared is equals to AE squared plus 24 squared. AE squared is equals to 36 squared minus 24 squared. AE is equals to 26,83 units. Thanks guys for your time. Please subscribe and like this video. Dango.